हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल दैट इज़ प्राउड आरआईएन। तो आप सभी लोगों को पता है मैं आरआई भुवनेश्वर में बीएड कर रही हूँ। मैं आरआई कॉमन एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम दी थी। उसमें टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड में जो क्वेश्चन आया था उसका डिस्कशन हम इस वीडियो में करेंगे। उसके बाद मैं इंग्लिश के लिए और रीजनिंग के लिए दूसरी वीडियो लाऊंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, जनरली द एम्स ऑफ एजुकेशन आर स्टेटेड इन टेक्स्ट बुक, सिलेबी, एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, स्कूल प्रोसेसेस। तो आप लोग एक काम कर सकते हैं, वीडियो को पॉज करके अपना आंसर चुन सकते हैं। उसके बाद मैं अपना आंसर बोलूँगी तो उसी हिसाब से आप जान सकेंगे कि आपका तैयारी कैसे चल रही है। तो इसका आंसर होगा एजुकेशन पॉलिसी। जनरली द एम्स ऑफ एजुकेशन आर स्टेटेड इन एजुकेशन पॉलिसी। तो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। Which is the best way to tackle truancy? To understand cause and find solution on a case-by-case basis. Second option था maintaining attendance registers and having roll call for every period. Third option था having strict rules for punishing learners who are frequent defaulters. Fourth option था holding teachers responsible and accountable for resolving issue. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 1, टू अंडरस्टैंड कॉज एंड फाइंड सोल्यूशन ऑन ए केस बाय केस बेसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए प्रिंसिपल अंडरलाइंग असेसमेंट इन स्कूल्स? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन था आइडेंटिफाइंग लर्निंग नीड्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रेन। सेकेंड ऑप्शन था मेकिंग इट इंटीग्रल टू द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस। थर्ड ऑप्शन था मेकिंग इट मल्टीपल एविडेंस बेस्ड। फोर्थ ऑप्शन था मेकिंग स्टूडेंट्स सीरियस अबाउट देयर लर्निंग। तो उसका आंसर है मेकिंग स्टूडेंट्स सीरियस अबाउट देयर लर्निंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हिच ऑफ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ TLM दैट इज टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल्स इन्फ्लुएंस लर्निंग द मोस्ट? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है कलर ऑफ द TLM। सेकेंड ऑप्शन है वॉल्यूम ऑफ द TLM। थर्ड ऑप्शन है कॉस्ट ऑफ द TLM। फोर्थ ऑप्शन है रिलेवेंस ऑफ द TLM। तो उसका आंसर होगा रिलेवेंस ऑफ द TLM। उसके बाद में क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Which of the following is not true about competency-based learning? Assessment will shift its focus from summative to formative. Learning will shift its focus from rote memorization to conceptual clarity. It will promote higher order skills such as analysis and critical thinking. It will add to curricular loads of students. तो इसका आंसर होगा it will add to curricular loads of students. Which of the following is the primary purpose of assessment in schools? To improve students' learning, to categorize learners as either pass or fail, to inform parents about the performance of their words, to make students work hard to raise their marks. तो इसका आंसर होगा to improve students' learning. इसके बाद है which of the following is not an example of experiential learning? Option 1, visit to a museum. Option 2, visit to an institute of science. Option 3, listening to a talk delivered by eminent scholars. Option 4, survey of income and savings of household in local community. तो इसका आंसर होगा listening to a talk delivered by eminent scholars. Question number 8, if there is a visually challenged student in your class, you should primarily, first option, orient classroom teaching to cater to his or her needs. Option 2, not give extra attention to her or him. Option 3, arrange a seat in the front row. Option 4, treat her or him at par with normal children. तो इसका आंसर होगा arrange a seat in the front row. Next question, a teacher can foster creativity among children by praising creative work of students. Option 2, displaying innovative work of students. Option 3, allowing students to brainstorm solutions to problems. Option 4, all of this. तो इसका आंसर होगा all of this. Question number 10, which of the following is an objective type question? Option 1, short answer question. Option 2, open-ended question. Option 3, essay type question. Option 4, matching type question. तो इसका आंसर होगा matching type question. Next question, what should be the approach of a teacher to deal with the slow learners in a class? Option 1, same as that for other students. Option 2, asking them to catch up with other students. Option 3, giving them more time to learn. Option 4, advising them to go for private teaching. तो इसका आंसर होगा गिविंग देम मोर टाइम टू लर्न. Question number 12. The school development plan, that is SDP, should be determined by students and teachers, school head and the teachers, school management committee, educational administrators. तो इसका आंसर होगा स्कूल मैनेजमेंट कमिटी, दैट इज SMC. Next question is, which of the following methods is most suitable for enhancing skills? Option 1, discussion. Option 2, demonstration. Option 3, recitation. Option 4, lecture. The answer will be demonstration. Demonstration is the most suitable method for enhancing skills. Question number 14. Practice is more emphasized in which of the following method? Option 1, inductive method. Option 2, lecture method. Option 3, drill method. Option 4, demonstration method. The answer will be drill method. Practice is more emphasized in drill method. Then question number 15. Which of the following documents should come first in the context of education? Education policy, textbook, syllabi, curriculum, framework. The answer will be education policy. Question number 16. Which of the following is an effective method to enhance problem solving skills in children? Focusing on the directions given by the teacher, encouraging them to avoid difficult problems. Option number 3, providing them with solutions to problems using artificial intelligence. Option 4, giving them opportunity to brainstorm and make intuitive guesses. The answer will be giving them opportunity to brainstorm and make intuitive guesses. Then question number 17. This is the most important question. Inclusive education. Option 1, includes teachers from the marginalized sections. Option 2, encourages selection of students through admission test. Option 3, celebrates diversity in the classroom. Option 4, includes children with disability only. What is inclusive education? The word inclusive itself includes including everyone. The answer will be celebrates diversity in the classroom. Then the question, which of the following is the professional requirement of a teacher? Option 1, mastery of the subject. Option 2, competence in teaching. Option 3, innovativeness in teaching strategies. Option 4, all of the above. The answer will be all of the above. Then question number 19. The best time for assessing student learning. स्टूडेंट लर्निंग को असेस करने के लिए कौन सा टाइम बेस्ट होता है? द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस, द एंड ऑफ द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस, थ्रू आउट द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस, द एंड ऑफ द academic section. The answer will be throughout the teaching learning process. The best time is throughout the teaching learning process. The question number 20. Schools are called social institutions because they are established by the society, function in the society, preserve and transmit knowledge to future generation, train students to become social workers. The answer will be schools are called social institutions because they preserve and transmit knowledge to future generations. Then the question number 21. Assessment of learning carried out at the end of a course is known as formative, summative, placement और diagnostic assessment. याद रखिए, जो assessment of learning होता है at the end of a course, that is called summative assessment. Then the question number 22 is, which of the following approaches maximize students learning? Homogeneous grouping, heterogeneous grouping, randomized grouping, grouping by students interest. Answer will be grouping by students interest. Then the question is, an effective classroom environment basically envisages student teacher interaction, pin drop silence, strict discipline, a variety of costly teaching aids. Answer will be student teacher interaction. Question number 24. Which of the following is an example of grass motor skill? Hopping, running, climbing, all of the above. The answer will be all of the above. Sign language interpreter is a tool used for teaching children with hearing impairment, visual impairment, learning disorder or intellectual disability. The answer will be hearing impairment. Question number 26. The aims of education are mostly influenced by educational psychology, economics of education, history of education, or educational philosophy. The aims of education is related to the concept educational philosophy. So the answer will be educational philosophy. Question number 27. Which of the following method is a teacher centric? Cooperative learning, project based learning, discovery learning, या expository learning? Answer will be expository learning. Which of the following method is teacher centric? The answer will be expository learning. Question number 28. Which of the following is a teaching skill? Asking questions, writing on the blackboard, demonstrating teaching aids, all of the above. The answer will be all of the above. Then the question is 29. Number question is, which of the following is an external factor affecting learning of a student? Emotion, culture, attitude, motives. याद रखिए एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर पूछा है तो आंसर विल बी कल्चर. इमोशन, एटीट्यूड, मोटिव, दीज आर इंटरनल फैक्टर्स. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज question number 30, and this is the last question. The most important consideration in curriculum development is needs and capabilities of students, ability level of teachers, cultural ethos of society, socio-political ideology. The question asks, is the most important consideration in curriculum development is the needs and the capabilities of students? The answer will be option number 1, needs and capabilities of students. So it was the last question. तो आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंग्लिश और रीजनिंग का मैं डिस्कशन करूँगी. आप लोगों को अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना. बाय बाय.